Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public profile if you are under 18. First, always check the specific age requirements of any platform you wish to join. Many social media sites have minimum age limits, often 13 years old, and some require parental permission for younger users. It's crucial to understand these rules to ensure your profile is set up correctly and safely from the start. We'll guide you through the essential steps. Most online platforms enforce a minimum age of 13 for account creation, but some may require you to be 16 or even 18. If you are under the minimum age, you might need a parent or guardian to provide consent, sometimes through a digital form or email verification. Some services even offer special accounts designed for younger users with enhanced privacy features. Always be honest about your age to avoid account suspension and ensure your safety. Once your profile is created, immediately navigate to the privacy settings. It is highly recommended to set your profile to private, meaning only approved followers can see your posts and information. Adjust settings to control who can send you friend requests, direct messages, or tag you in content. Crucially, disable any location sharing features to protect your personal safety. Regularly review these settings as platforms often update their options. Always be mindful of the content you share online. Avoid posting sensitive personal information like your home address, phone number, or school name. Remember that once something is online, it can be difficult to remove completely. If you encounter any inappropriate content, cyberbullying, or suspicious accounts, report them to the platform administrators immediately. And speaking of making things easy, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Stay safe and smart online.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.